Hi, and welcome to CommBoards Academy. To create a new category in CommBoards, go to the Edit mode by clicking on the cogwheel Settings button on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the New Cell button and add the name of the new category you want to add. On the right area to where the category name is, there is a toggle Set as Category. Turn this toggle on. You can then choose an image. We will choose one from the rich image bank included with the app. You can choose to have the new category directly on the main screen or add it inside an existing category. We will add the fruit category under To Eat. We've selected the option to ignore sound in order for the CommBoards app not to speak the category name in the sentence. Once you've done editing the new category, tap Save. We'll go to the To Eat category and you can see the new fruit category has been added here. Next, we will create a new cell, name it Apple, and place it under the newly created fruit category. Let's save the cell, then tap back to return to the playground screen. We will test our new creation by building a sentence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.